Forget everything you know about aviation. The year is 2026, and the skies over China are looking straight out of a sci-fi movie. This is the A-Fay A-01 by A-Fay Aviation, the world's first production-crewed octocopter. And yes, it looks absolutely extreme. Instead of a cozy, enclosed cabin, you get a bare aviation aluminum frame and a lightweight carbon fiber seat. You sit in it like an open-air dune buggy, but at 100 feet in the air. It uses a coaxial design, meaning 8 rotors are stacked in pairs like a layer cake. If one motor fails, no problem. The system self-stabilizes for a safe landing. Weighing just about 220 pounds, it can lift a pilot of equal weight and cruise for up to 25 minutes using a minimalist joystick. It's built for 3 things: mountain rescue, patrolling territory, and giving ultimate thrill seekers the ride of their lives. But while A-Fay is building open-air rides for adrenaline junkies, E-HAWK is building a literal lifesaver. Meet their 1-ton, heavy-duty ducted fan concept. Notice something missing? Open blades. By hiding all the rotors inside ducted fans, just like jet engines, this beast can fly directly up against the walls of burning skyscrapers without snagging. It's designed to evacuate trapped people from the upper floors of burning high-rises, where traditional ladders can't reach.
Alongside the capsule, E-HAWK rolled out an industrial firefighting monster. This heavy aircraft can climb over 8,000 feet, withstand gale force winds, and carry a 176-pound payload. It can hoist a heavy hose 150 meters into the air, or even shoot powder charges to smash windows and blast out fires instantly. It's so powerful, the company used it as a crane to lift and install their own heavy office sign. Open-air thrill rides or jet-style skyscraper rescue? Which of these insane 2026 drone technologies would you trust your life with? Let us know in the comments and hit subscribe for more glimpses into the future.